Hi, I'm Simon with AutoRABIT, and today we're going to show you how we can easily commit changes to version control using AutoRABIT with SVN. For that, first we do the Salesforce org mapping, where we logically connect the Salesforce org with the Salesforce org user and the AutoRABIT user, as well as the version control user. So first we select the Salesforce org user, then we enter the username and password for the version control system or source control management system, and then also select the AutoRABIT user. Now we have a logical connection between the three components and therefore can do easy commits using AutoRABIT. The second step after we do the Salesforce org mapping is under My Settings, is My Profile. Under My Profile we have to do certain settings as well to set this up properly. So we check mark under My Salesforce orgs, the Salesforce org that we just connected, and then add the Salesforce org user one more time. And then we will also do the same for our SVN repository for each of the branches. Again, here the username and password. Then we can also test the connection to ensure that the connection is successful. We're going to do this a second time for the development branch, just retracing our steps from the previous time. As you can see, successful again when we test the connection, and then we save this and we can move on to easy commits. So under the easy commit tab, here we then select the Salesforce org that we just mapped out and then the user that we just added, and now we can fetch the changes for a specific user in a specific Salesforce org. So even if you have several users in the same Salesforce org, it doesn't matter, we can fetch a specific user's changes. Therefore, overwriting each other's code is a thing of the past. Then we can cherry pick the components that we would like to commit to version control, or we could commit all of them, it's up to you. And then we add a label type. Labels enable us to later on recall this commit and then deploy the exact same components we just committed to version control into a destination org, making it really easy to not forget any components or not to add unnecessary components. Once we have created this label, it auto populates the commit message, and here we already have completed our commit. As you can see, we have the author, we have the date and time, as well as the revision number, and here inside our SVN view we can see the folder structure where we have added the different components. And now here under the on this browser window here, we can see that the revision arrived successfully. Thank you very much for your time. This completes this video.